Hello, welcome to thLaβ channel. Today we are going to see the order of operations. So let's take the following example: 3 plus 5 plus 8 divided by 2 power 2 multiplied by 4. So operations means things like add, subtract, multiply, divide, squaring, and so on. Well, if we calculate them in the wrong order, we can get a wrong answer. So what part should we calculate first in this exercise? First of all, if we have brackets, we will do first of all the operations from the brackets. Inside the brackets also we can see that we have different types of operations. First of all, in any type of exercise, we do operations like powers, roots, before multiply, divide, add or subtract. After that, after we solved with the roots, we can divide or multiply. And after that, we will do the operations of addition and subtracting. So let's see. We will copy everything until the bracket. So we have 3 plus bracket remains 5 plus 8 divided by 2 power 2 means 2 or 2, which is 4. Yes, close the bracket, multiply by 4. Yes, so now we don't have the power number. Let's go further. What we are going to do next? We stay in the brackets and we will do the next type of calcul, meaning the division. So we will copy until the brackets. So 3 plus 5 plus 8. 8 divided by 4. What is it? What type of number do we have here? 5 plus 8 divided by 4, 2, yes. Multiply by 4 equals with. We'll stay in the brackets also because we haven't finished with the brackets. So let's copy one more time. 3 plus. In the brackets we have only one operation. So we will do 5 plus 2, which is 7. Now the brackets disappear. Yes? Multiply by 4 equals with. What we are going to do now? First of all, we will do the operation of multiplication. Yes? So, we have furthermore 3 plus 7 or 4, 28. Yes? So, the results equals with 31. So, we obtain very easy by knowing the order of operations the final results. Also, it's very important because if you calculate them in the wrong order, you can get a wrong answer. So, let's have a recap. First of all, we do operations between the brackets. In the brackets, the order of operation is powers and square roots, division, and division or multiplication it depends what do you have in the brackets. First of all, division and multiplication, yes. After that we make the adding operation. So now we have the final result in the brackets. which is 7. And after that we will use the same way and the same method for the numbers outside the brackets. So we have first of all 7 multiplied by 4, and after that we add 3. So remember, brackets 4 first, after that orders, powers and square roots first, after that we do division and multiplication, and after that addition and subtraction. So let's take another example. 16 plus 2 multiplied by 14 multiplied with 8 minus 9 divided by 3. What we are going to do in here? First of all, we do the brackets, yes, all the brackets. After that, in the brackets, what we are going to do? First, we're going to do the division operations and multiplying operations. So, we will have the bracket remains, yes, the brackets remains until we have the results form of one number. So we have 16 plus 14 multiplied by 2 equals 18, yes, multiplied by 8 minus 9 divided by 3 equals with 3. So we have remained the brackets. Now we can do the simple way. We do first addition and after that subtracting. So we have 16 plus 18 meanings 114 multiplied 8 minus 3 by 5, yes, equals with 114 multiplied by 5. We can do mentally, and it's 1700, or we can put it right under each other. So we below 0, 5 or 4 equals 20, 0, 2, 5 or 1, 5 with 2, 7. Yes, very easy. Well, I hope you understand the order of operations. If you have another questions, or if you have another examples, or if you have another suggest of subjects for this channel, you let me know and we will present it to you next time. Thank you very much.